Let us talk about basic min-max functions. Alright, so to calculate minimum and maximum values, np.min v1, which is 1, np.min v, which is again 1, np.max, which is v1, np.max, which is v, which is 25. So if we see v1, v1's max value is 9, min value is 1. If we look at v, max value is 1 or 25 and min value is 1. So this is what it is. Alright, very simple. Let us move ahead further. Let us move ahead further. Sorry. Let us move ahead further. Shall we move ahead further?
Yes, Utkarsh.
Alright. So we discussed array list shape also we discussed. Okay. Matmal dot mean median standard deviation variance min max. All right. Let us create an identity matrix. Now identity matrix is what? The matrix whose diagonals are 1 and rest all letters. This is an identity matrix of order 3, sorry. So the matrix's diagonal values are 1, rest all the other values are 0. That is known as identity matrix. And this matrix is what? This matrix is an I3 matrix. That is identity matrix of order 3. So let us create an identity matrix of order 3. Alright. So we'll take A in a list and write 1, comma 1, comma 1 3 times because we are creating identity matrix of the order 3 and we are doing what we are based. So basically we'll need only 3 ones in the 3 diagonals. Next we'll do what we'll write B is equal to np dot diag or we'll take I is equal to np dot diag function and fill in A. Fill A in it. Fill A in it. Alright. Next we'll run this. It will show us an identity matrix. Similarly, if you want to create an identity matrix of let's say order 5, we need 5 ones in that. So we'll increase the number of ones from 3 to 5. And our identity matrix of order 5 has been created. So this is what it is. Alright, moving ahead further. No doubt, so let us move ahead further. Talk about reshape. Talk about reshape. Let us move ahead further and talk about reshape. Reshaping of a matrix. Now, what is reshaping of a matrix? We'll see that. So before we reshape a matrix, let us first create a matrix of let's say 2 comma 5, 2 rows and 5 columns. So let us take a np dot reshape. I'm sorry, np dot array. Sorry. Alright, let us create a matrix 5, 2, 7, 4, 1. So we are creating a matrix of 2, 5, 2 rows and 5 columns. Alright. 8, 11, uh, 7, 15, 17, 25. Alright, so A. So this is what it is. So let us check its shape also, which is 2, 5. 2 rows and 5 columns. So now we want to reshape 2, 5. Now this 2, 5 consists of how many elements? If we multiply rows into columns versus 2 into 5, that will give us the number of elements present inside the matrix. Alright. So how many elements are present? 10 elements are present. 5, 2, 7, 4, 1, 5, 8, 11, 15, 17, 20. 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements are present inside this A array. Alright. So we can only reshape this matrix in the divisibles of 10, in the factors of 10. We can only less than that or greater than that will result in what? Will result in an error. So this is what it is. You, while reshaping the matrix, let's say 2, 5, you need to reshape it only in the factors of 10, because where the other numbers will go, other data will go. So this is what it is.